yesterday was the first day of me posting and launching my cookie packs for this weekend sale. I need a tripod. An update, I just made that one post. Plus I messaged friends and past customers to let them know that I'm doing the sale. And as of today, we are already halfway sold out. I have to go and check my inventory because I've gotten 2 orders in like the last 30 minutes. I need to check my inventory because I think it's very possible that I might be sold out of my chocolate chip cookies, but I need to double check that because then that's going to influence how I post tomorrow. So originally my plan was to post Monday, Wednesday, and then Thursday. Thursday is my cutoff for orders, of course, unless I sell out, and then pickup is going to be on Saturday. So I have a post scheduled. It's not scheduled. I have a post created and ready to go for tomorrow. And then I have one for Thursday. But in tomorrow's post, I'm going to need to edit it because I think I'm sold out of chocolate chip cookies. So I would need to update with that information so people know, so they don't go in there expecting to get the chocolate chip cookies, but then they can't. And then too, that just kind of creates a little bit of urgency for people too. Like, oh man, like she's already sold out of chocolate chip cookies. Like, well, let me make sure I can grab my cookie butter cookies, which is interesting, but it makes sense, right? Chocolate chip cookies are a classic, right? Cookie butter cookies are great too, but it's chocolate chip, right? That's a safer option for most people. I don't think, like, most people won't find a problem or worry with chocolate chip cookies. So those are almost gone, and I need to check to see. I just need to check to see. I need the computer so I can check and see. But y'all, like, I'm just so happy. Like, I was very nervous and scared coming into this because, again, like, I'm in a new community. People don't know, like, who I am, right? They don't know anything about me. So I'm just posting. I'm not using the backup of, like, clout, like my social medias or anything like that. Like, this is just me just coming on here, just choosing to start, asking for the sale, and delivering a good product. That's all I'm doing. And this is just to show you that it is very much possible when you know the formula for success and when you actually do it. If you're a home baker and you're tired of overthinking everything and you're ready to start making money doing what you love, then this is for you. Business Made Simple is a membership I wish I had when I first got started. It gives you the exact tools to launch your bakery confidently, even if you don't know where to begin. You'll get my proven framework, real templates, pricing help, and step-by-step mini lessons. Plus a powerful community that supports you as you grow. And listen, I've already helped bakers make their very first sales, some even in just a few days. So there are no excuses now. If you're done playing small, click the link in my description and let's build the business that you've been dreaming of. So, but just being real though, I've been super nervous. Like, even though I've been doing this for a while, even though like I'm pretty confident in like my knowledge and like my business knowledge and like all of my, like just my thoughts around like running a business, although I'm super confident about that, I still get nervous. I still get worried. I still get scared. I almost just didn't do it, right? I almost was like, you know, people probably won't buy from me. Like, I don't want to fail. Do I really want to do this? Like, I don't really know these people. Like, so many different fears and things came into my mind. And literally on Sunday, I was at the point of being like, I'm not going to do this. Like, I'm not going to do it. But I just took a deep breath and I was like, you know what? Like, what does it hurt if I do it and it doesn't work? What does that hurt, right? Other than like just my pride. But I can take that as a learning lesson to then do better for next time. So I did it, and look, like we're already halfway sold out, and it's day 2, and we have 2 more days to go to sell the rest of these cookies. We're more than halfway. So this is all just to give you an update and just to encourage you to say, just start. Like this is the simple formula and framework to selling. Like, selling doesn't have to be complicated. I'm telling you, all you have to do is just start. Just go for it. Ask for the sale. Be vocal and ask for people to buy. Ask people to buy from you. Don't be afraid to do that. I know it's scary. It's scary for me too, but I still do it. Right? Like, you gotta be a little bit crazy, and just do it. And then make sure that you're delivering a great product so then people will want to buy from you the next time that you post. Yeah, this is so awesome. Like, it's working, and I'm So happy about that. It's super cool. But I hope to have more details and more updates. But hopefully I can do like more videos to like break down everything that I did, show you the process. I didn't really record me setting everything up, but I can still go back and like walk you through everything. And I didn't record because I was just nervous. I was nervous, just being honest. I was nervous, I was worried, but I am gonna go back and I am gonna just break everything down for you. But let me check really quickly. Check my inventory real quick with you all, and let's see what we have, where we are. So just really quickly, I'm posting this on Square, not Squarespace. This is the thing that's like really cool about Square, like, and selling cookies. I have to figure it out for cakes, but you have your order quantities. You can put your limit on here. So when you're sold out, you're sold out. You don't oversell yourself, which is very helpful, especially for someone like me, because I always end up doing the most. Like even like now, like realizing that, oh, we sold out of chocolate chip cookies, my mind automatically goes to, oh, well, maybe I can just bake up some more, and you know, because we still have a few days, and I can just bake up some more and try to sell more. No, I know my limits right now, right? Like, this is just a small sale, just to try it, just to get my nerves up, just to get out there. We're gonna stick to the plan. All right, yes, we have 8 total on hand. Okay, so we have 3 chocolate chips left, and we have 5 cookie butters left. That is awesome. That is absolutely awesome. So we are a little bit over, yeah, we're over halfway through our orders, which is great. This is so awesome. Something else that I noticed, I didn't realize that this was on here, but people have been like, so they get the discount, but people have been leaving tips. I didn't put this on here, so I'm gonna have to go in here. I mean, I don't mind, like I'm thankful for the tips, right? But again, it's just my mind, right? Like the fear, it's like I don't want people to feel like I'm like begging for like more money from them by asking for a tip. I didn't mean to put like tips on here. I don't even know how. It's like I'm looking on here, I don't even know where that is, where it's asking for tips. But people are leaving tips, and I'm grateful for that, right? So the number that I had set that I would make from this is going to be a little bit more, just simply because people are tipping me, which is completely awesome. Like strangers are leaving me a tip. Like they don't know nothing about me except that I'm their neighbor, and they're leaving me a tip. That is great. That is awesome. That's very exciting. But yeah, okay. So yes, we are good. We still have chocolate chip available. We still have cookie butter available, but there's not that many. There's not that many. So let's see what's gonna happen when I post again tomorrow. Yeah, I just want to really dive into everything with y'all. I want you to be inside of my mind. I want you to be an experience, like everything that I'm thinking, so then you can like learn and you can take that and apply it. Because I think, here we go, we're good. Because what usually happens is that people don't bring you along their journey. They don't show you like the real ins and the outs, right? And I get it, because it's hard to do. It's hard to, one, it's hard to record and bake at the same time. We all know this, right? But 2, trying to record, bake, share openly your feelings, give you all the behind the scenes details, that's hard. Hard physically, but also it's just, oh, this has been 11 minutes already. Whoa, okay. But it's hard mentally, right? Because what if you fail? How do people respond and react to that, right? I know for certain that there are people that would be like, oh, see, she doesn't know what she's talking about. Oh, whatever. But then there are other people who take that and they're like, oh, well, thanks for sharing this. Now I know what to avoid. Or, oh, okay, well, you failed at this. This didn't go as you planned. How did you then turn that around? What then did you do to correct that situation? Let me pause this and start it over. So that's kind of what I want to do, and that's partially why I run my business. Like they speak back to each other, both parts. The online business where I'm helping bakers like you, and then my actual baking business where I serve my community. They both help each other out, because when they buy, I'm able to learn from this experience to come back and teach and share the knowledge with you, so then you can be successful. And by you coming and watching my videos and purchasing my products and supporting me, that then makes it easier for me to then give back and pour back into my community. So it's a back and forth dance that I am absolutely love. I'm thankful for both of my audiences, the new bakery audience that I'm growing here, and my new town, in my new city, and then my online community that's been here and that are supporting me and everything. Everybody makes this work. Everybody makes this work. It makes this be able to happen. But yeah, so I just want to share like all the ins and outs with you, like just the real life of everything. Like, it's hard to say, but I still get scared and I get nervous too, but I still just get out there and I just do it. I apply what I know, I stick to the plan, and it works. And I'm happy to be able to come, and I'm happy to be able to share with you and tell you what works. So then you can go and you can be successful too. So I will keep you guys updated on everything. If you have questions, as always, leave them in the comments. I will do my very, very, very best to try to answer them as best as I can. But yeah, that's our update for today. Day 2, only one post plus one set of messages that I sent out to people, and we're already halfway through our inventory. A new post will be going live tomorrow, and then another one on Thursday if we don't sell out tomorrow. So fingers crossed that this goes well. And yeah, I'll see y'all soon.